So I have another breaking news update. Quickly, let's get our viewers the breaking news update. Every 2 to 3 minutes, one breaking news update coming in. This one of a telephonic conversation that took place. Telephonic conversation that took place between Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov and the Minister of External Affairs, S. Jaishankar. Getting in details of the call. Foreign ministers discussed current... This is a readout, by the way, from the Russian side. So it's the Russian version of it. The foreign ministers discussed current issues of Russia-India cooperation as well as the escalation of India-Pakistan relations following the terrorist attack near the town of Pahalgam. Sergei Lavrov of Russia calling for resolution of agreements, resolution of disagreements between New Delhi and Islamabad. Resolution. Ambassador Vora, we're still stuck on resolution of disagreements between New Delhi and Islamabad through political and diplomatic means on a bilateral basis in accordance with the provisions of the Simla Agreement and the Lahore Declaration, which we, by the way, just scrapped. We've scrapped the Simla Agreement. So I don't know what Russia is talking about.
Well, thank you very much, sir. Always a pleasure to be on your outstanding channel. You, of course, are brilliant. And then you have 3 outstanding Indian soldiers over here, sir, highly decorated. What am I, a diplomat, doing here? Nevertheless, let me try and give you an answer. And I'll begin, sir, by quoting my favorite actor, Rajkumar. When people ask, kya aap maroge unko? Hum marenge jani, banduk bhi hamari hogi, goli bhi hamari hogi, waqt bhi hamara hoga, zameen to waise hi hamari hai. I think this message has to go across. Now, sir, if you give me a minute or two,
go ahead, sir,
let me tell you that I had a conversation this afternoon on a US channel. There was a Pakistani fellow and I was there. And I asked that chap that, why haven't any of you condemned the killings in Pahalgam? So he said, it's a lovely day here. I said, I've asked you a question. Will you respond? And then he sort of went in some convoluted thought process. I said, if these chaps had been Muslims who were slaughtered, what would you say? He said, Haji, Musliman ko nahi marna chahiye. I said, they were kafirs. Does that have no meaning? Do their lives not have any sanctity? Then again, he got lost. He wouldn't answer my question. This is the mindset, sir. We are fighting a losing war against the mindset. Sir, हिंदी में कहते हैं सांप का जो जहर होता है उसके फन में होता है इन कमीनों का जहर इनके मन में है. Now look at the confusion. Chanakya, our guru, my guru, has talked about Samdam Bhed Dan. Bhed is deception. Bhed is information warfare. Bhed is sowing doubt in the enemy's mind. Let me tell you, sir, what has happened. They have an ambassador in Washington, I forget the fellow's name, and he has given a media interview saying, we cannot fight India. India is much bigger than us.
You're talking about Hussein Haqqani? Are you talking about Hussein Haqqani?
No, sir, not Hussein Haqqani. This is their present ambassador. Who says we can't... He gave an interview to an American newspaper. So we can't fight India. They're much bigger, much stronger. On the other hand, his defense minister says, Ajao, hum marenge tere ko. Hum aapse zyada shaktishali hai.
Yeah.
This is the total confusion. They don't know what's going on. And then that mad mullah Munir, sir, these pictures that they show of this character, take it from me, sir. He's not there. These are doctored images. He has absconded, sir. Where he has gone, probably Turkey. He knows he's going to get trashed. And he will be blamed if we eliminate Pakistan. Now, sir, we've also seen other signs of confusion. You remember that Billy Bunter fellow, that very fat chap who used to be, the chap who sells bhutta, some bhutta fellow. He used to, a very huge fellow like a son. And he said, blood will flow and this will happen, that will happen. Now he's suddenly quietened down. This suggests that all is not well. So when the UN Secretary General called, our Foreign Minister, External Affairs Minister took the call. There, the Prime Minister grabbed the phone from his Foreign Minister and said, let me talk. When Marco Rubio called, he spoke to his Indian counterpart. There, he wanted to speak to his Pakistani counterpart. In total violation of protocol, the Paki PM grabbed the phone and said, let me talk. They are totally confused. They are panicking. So this is what I make of it. I've been ambassador in 6 countries. I've seen this level of lack of coordination where everybody is trying to show that he is the person who can save the situation. None of them will be able to. Let me just conclude by saying, sir, Pakistan has been playing with fire. Now it's time to burn it. They say that India will fight a 2-front war. Pakistan is fighting a 5-front war, sir. And the result of this is going to be the breakup of that country. Sir, Pakistan's continued existence in its present form is no benefit to mankind. Its disappearance in its present form is no loss to mankind.